Hello everyone, we will be discussing with the continuation of lecture 2. This is the part 2. This in the circular cylindrical coordinate system in the geometric way, we have seen that ax a rho cos phi minus a phi sin phi, ay a rho sin phi plus a phi cos phi, az az. These relationships we are got from geometrical view. Now these are the relationship of the direction unit vectors between Cartesian coordinate and the circular coordinate, and hence we got this a rho a phi z. Means we will be getting, if we know that rectangular components, rectangular direction, then we can get the components of circular cylindrical coordinate. Okay. Now we will be switching the what is the positional vector. What is positional vector? Positional vector means it's presents the position of any point. So firstly, if you see the Cartesian positional vector for Cartesian, okay, so what is the positional vector? Suppose here is the configuration of Cartesian. Okay, suppose anywhere one point, suppose any point I am taking here. So as the position vector from the origin, how it will be? From there to that, the origin where you have, we are considered at there, this is the origin, this is the origin. So from there to there, directly distance is, direct distance will be considered as a positional vector, and the magnitude also, the direct distance and the direction also in that way will be the direction of position. So for the Cartesian, what, suppose this point is P, x, y, z. Suppose for the P at any point P, x, y, z. Okay, so the directional vector will be the positional vector. Positional vector will be from origin to this. Positional vector will be represents as x, ax plus y, ay plus z, az. Clear? Now from there we will be getting the magnitude. Magnitude will be x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, this one is the magnitude. This one is the magnitude. Now the direction will be ax plus yay plus z az under root of x square plus y square plus z square. This is direction. So this present the unit vector of OP. So actually OP is presenting like this, ax plus y ay plus z az. This presents the directional vector of any point in Cartesian coordinate. So now if this point we convert into cylindrical view, if you see that this, we know that any point we can present uniquely in any coordinate, orthogonal coordinate. So this P is xyz at in Cartesian coordinate. Now P will switch this vector. This is at Cartesian. Now what will be the vector in cylindrical, circular cylindrical? Okay. So as you know the relationship between this, we will be getting rho phi z. In case of Cartesian, here we got what? This is x component, this is y component, this is z component, y component, z component. Okay. But for cylindrical, circular cylindrical coordinate, we have to find the a rho component, we have to find the a phi component, we have to find the az component. Okay. Now as you know the relationship a rho a phi az, a rho a phi az, how it is correlated with ax ay az. This is cos phi sin phi 0 minus sin phi cos phi equal to 0 0 0 1. In this way, clear? And this ax ay az, so in that case we have to replace x y z. Okay. And also what we know, the conversion, magnitude conversion, x is rho cos phi, y is rho sin phi, and z is equal to z. So what will be getting the component? A rho component is coming like this. What? Cos phi, x cos phi, x cos phi plus y sin phi. And a phi is getting x sin phi plus y cos phi. So now if we replace x in terms of rho phi, so what? X is rho cos phi, so rho cos square phi plus y rho sin phi, rho sin square phi. Clear? Now again for this x rho sin phi, rho sin phi, rho sin phi cos phi, because rho cos phi for x for y rho sin phi, okay, and for z is nothing but az. This relationship we got. So this means for this a row only if we get common, if we take the common row outside, then cos square phi plus sin square phi equal to 1. That means there will be only row, and for this y row phi, so phi no longer will be exist, okay, and the z is z. So if we convert that row in cylindrical, so we will be getting this row a row plus what, plus a z, z a z. Sorry, z a z. So this is the conversion, okay. So this means this, whatever the position of this in Cartesian, position vector is for any point x y z is rho phi z, x y z in this way, ax plus y a rho y plus z a z. But in case of cylindrical, the positional vector will be rho a rho plus z a z. This is the presentation. So now for this here, see, in some case we will be see there, in case of Cartesian we already got what, 3 components, but here only 2 components are there, only 2 components. So see, one component is out, means the visualization and the symmetry and the way of will get some easier, okay. That means here 2 components are there, there are 3 components, okay. These things is there, okay. So in the same way I am giving one problem to you. The problem is this problem. So this is the presentation in one vector field is there, vector field x y square a x plus y z square plus 2xz. So it's convert into the cylindrical coordinate system, okay. So that means this is the function of x y z, and you have to go for the function of rho phi z. In the same way, whatever we got this matrix a rho a phi a z, so thus put in case of this row ax, ay and az. So place on that these components, this is and this is what we just previously done for the directional vector, okay. We will get some important thing, we will be discussing the what are the surfaces of circular cylindrical coordinate. So when rho is constant, means along rho direction, that means other terms are phi is varying with this and z is varying with plus infinity to minus infinity. What we will be getting? Just let's go for a 3-dimensional presentation. Now see, so a row constant means row is constant. Suppose row is constant means that what, as the row we defined as a, suppose anywhere the point here, okay, any point here. So what we defined as a, this axis will be there, means that axis is nothing but z axis. Along the origin one line is passing through the z axis, is known as the axis of this cylinder. So from that, any point we are considering, from that the perpendicular distance from that particular point is known as rho. Clear? So here in this way rho is acting, in this way rho is acting, and the direction of rho is this. Now what? The phi is changing 0 to 2 pi and z is minus infinite to positive infinite. So z means what? In this way, in this direction, and phi from this to this. So what will be the, if at from there to there for this is, it is constant for everywhere, the rho is constant, rho is constant, but phi is changing, okay, and the z also changing. Suppose for this particular z is how, suppose here finite j is there, suppose from here to here, okay, then the surface is how, what, which one surface? Surface is this one, surface is this one, surface is this one. So surface and the direction of this surface will be obviously normal to that surface. So this way, here in this way, in this way rho, along this, along this, along this means outward direction. So a rho is that. Now the phi constant, phi is constant somewhere, but phi, if phi is constant, then obviously this will be changing minus infinity to 0 and z also infinite to minus infinite. So which one will be the, now take one any point, suppose what we consider this x, from x we know that anywhere, suppose from the positive x axis with respect to positive x axis, the anti-clockwise somewhere here we stop. So which angle? This angle is covering with this axis, this is phi. So if this is phi, so this is constant, okay, this is constant, but rho is varying, rho is varying, rho somewhere, suppose here it may be here, in this way, maybe here, maybe here, maybe here, maybe here. So rho is changing and z also changing, z also changing. So the direction will be, so the direction will be in this way, in this way, the direction will be in this way, means what will be the configuration? See here, this is the cylinder. Suppose here it is row 1, here it is row 2. Now the direction, this one surface is there, this one surface is there. So the direction of this row will be phi. A phi is this. So the direction of A phi is this. So for this case means suppose hollow cylinder is there. So you have to see this from row 1 to row 2. So for that surface, means suppose you cut this cylinder and here will be getting one surface, this way one surface, this way one surface. For this surface we will be getting in this direction, in this way we will be getting rho phi minus A phi, and for this surface the direction will be this, along this rho phi A phi. So this one is the surface and clearly here it is showing. So in this direction rho phi, so this one is the surface. Okay, and for z equal to constant, so if z equal to constant means what? Rho is varying 0 to pi, but z equal to constant, here phi is varying 2 pi to 0, 2 pi to 0 angle. So now what is the presentation of that? Suppose z is constant somewhere here, suppose constant from origin to somewhere here is constant. Okay, if z is constant in this way, z is constant. If z is constant, then what? But rho is changing. So maybe rho is here, 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 wherever, up to 0.02 rho infinite. Okay, and the direction, and the presentation of that phi is varying 0 to 2 pi. So what? This circle is covering na pura, whole circle is covering. So this, there will be one plane parallel to the xy plane. So there will be one plane parallel to the xy plane. That surface is known as and the direction of that surface is the plane perpendicular to the z. So for this we will be getting parallel to xy plane. For this direction was A phi, for this direction is A rho, for this direction is A z. So this z constant, the surface means the parallel to the xy plane. Clear? Now the some special case we can see. Some special case means this, see. Suppose rho equal to constant, phi is equals to constant. If rho constant, phi constant, then obviously z is varying. Z is varying minus infinity to positive infinity. So what we will be getting for this? If rho constant and phi constant, what we will be getting? See there. If rho constant, suppose we are taking here some point. So here is rho constant. Somewhere here, suppose rho is constant. Throughout this is constant and phi also constant. So phi means what? So phi you have to consider from the positive x. So positive x from here to here up to that. Here is the phi is constant. Phi is not changing. Rho is also not changing. Rho is here. So now in which direction you can change? Only this direction. So what is that? This is nothing but the straight line. This straight line is what? Parallel to the axis, z axis. Parallel to the z axis or normal to the xy plane. So this means if rho constant, phi constant, this is straight line we will be getting. But which is parallel thing we can get. Now if one special case if we see, if rho is constant and z is constant, if rho constant and z also constant as well as rho constant as well as z constant, then what we will be getting? Z constant and rho constant. But see, suppose rho is constant, suppose in this case the rho will be, suppose this outer periphery if you see for this, there rho will be constant throughout this, from this to this rho, from this to this rho is constant, but now the z also constant. So z is considering from origin to this, suppose here z, some unit is there, means constant. So what we will be getting? This one circle will be getting. One circle will be getting. Okay. So that means for this one circle will be getting. Clear? And if this z constant and phi constant, what will be getting? It is your task. Please know me into the comment box. Okay. And now we will be discussing the elements of change of variable or coordinates. Suppose we will be changing some elemental change of variables for coordinates. So what will be the elements? Okay. The elements are, what will be the line elements, what are the surface elements and the volumetric element. Okay. So now how we can change these things? So before going to this, we have to erase. Okay. Everything we have to erase. So the elements, the line elements for the cylindrical, for the Cartesian coordinate. So Cartesian line 1 will be dx ax, sorry, it is this thing, means that this is the magnitude dl to dy dl to dz dz. This is the expression of line elements for Cartesian coordinate. Now what are the line elements for cylindrical coordinate? So line elements, how we can present? So the line elements, how? Very small amount of change. Suppose changing small amount of change. Suppose this is change from this row 1 to row 2, and the angle also small angle change. Okay, suppose this one angle d phi. This change of angle I am denoting d phi, and this row 1, here row 1, here row 2, we are changing d rho, and suppose from z we are changing z1 to z2. Okay, this one we can change. Okay, so now in this way, what will be the component? dl1 is d rho a rho, this one component. But for phi, this is what? This is the arc, and from here to there, from origin to this, from origin to there, what? This is rho. If this is arc, d phi is the arc. Okay, so what will be the this length of arc? The length of arc will be dl2. Okay, so dl2 obviously will be the rho d phi. Okay, because this is the radius of rho, then arc of this length. So this is the line change of this. So I dl1 is rho d phi, rho d rho, and the direction is a rho, and this for l2 is phi dl rho d phi, because of arc length is rho d phi. Okay, and the direction will be a phi. The length is in this direction will be clear, and the z obviously it will be in this direction. It is same for the Cartesian, and there 3 dz az. So the line elements are for cylindrical dl1 d rho a rho in the direction of rho, dl2 rho d phi a phi, and dl3 is dz az. Clear? Now the surface elements, as we discussed, surface, what are the surface? So surface for rho equal to constant, phi equal to constant, and z equal to constant. So these surfaces are mutually perpendicular also for this orthogonal coordinate. So a rho, a phi, a z we seen in earlier also. So this a rho, a phi, a z, for a rho will be, we have seen this, what will be the elemental change for this? The surface will be ds1. Okay, so rho d phi dz in the direction of a rho. Clear? ds2 in the direction of what? in the direction of phi. That means d rho dz is in this way, and the ds3 is rho d phi d rho, okay, is in the direction of z. So these are the surface element, okay, and the volume element. What are the volume element? Volumetric element. So only one element will be there for circular cylinder. So all three line element, what? dl, dv, volumetric element, dl1, dl2 and dl3. That means what? d rho d phi and dz. Volume is not a vector quantity, so this is like this. There is no direction of that there. So rho d phi dz. If you just simply check out this one, rho d phi dz, what are total area of that there? So for if rho is constant, suppose rho is constant, some value, what is the surface? Phi is varying 0 to 2 pi and z is varying, suppose h to h, suppose h 2 by h plus minus h to this, and rho d phi dz. Okay, so what will be the rho into 2 pi into h, 2 pi h, 2 pi. This is the 2, if rho is r, 2 pi r l. This is the area of what? 2 pi r l, means this is the outer area for cylinder. Okay, and if you consider the volume, what? For volume, what will be getting? If for a constant rho equal to r, then what will be getting? If the rho equal to r, phi 0 to 2 pi and z is minus h by 2 to h by 2, suppose, then rho d phi dz will be like this, pi r square, pi r square is will be getting. This is the volume of cylinder. Clear? So these things will be getting. So far what we have discussed here, we have discussed with the direction of conversion vector, relationship between conversion vector between Cartesian and this circular cylinder, and positional vector, how we present a vector as any point, and then the positional vector, this positional vector how we can present in the cylindrical. Okay, so I have given one task for this problem. So this problem you can convert into cylindrical way, cylindrical coordinate. Okay, and we have discussed the surfaces. These are the very important thing that you should understand, and some special case. If rho and phi constant, then if z is varying, so this what we are getting as a straight line which is parallel to z axis, or the normal to the line normal to the xy plane. If rho constant, z is constant. If phi is varying, then obviously we will be getting a circle. Okay, and for this z is constant, phi is constant, then what we will be getting? So that is also I have given for you the task as a task, and we have discussed the elementary change for variables or coordinates. Elementary change of variables. So we got that dl. The line elements are rho d rho and rho d phi a phi, dl3 dz az. Okay, and the surface elements also we have seen here. And just for a discussion, we have just started this. See this the one. So thank you. We'll be meeting in the next lecture. So I'll be coming with the spherical coordinates in the next lecture. Thank you. Thank you all. God bless you.